In a quaint little town nestled amidst rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a cat named Whiskers. Whiskers wasn't just any ordinary feline. He possessed an insatiable curiosity that often led him on extraordinary adventures. His fur, a patchwork of ebony and ivory, shimmered under the gentle rays of the morning sun as he prowled the cobbled streets with purpose. One fine day, Whiskers stumbled upon a mysterious old book tucked away in the dusty corner of the town library. Its pages were adorned with cryptic symbols and enchanting illustrations that seemed to beckon to him. Unable to resist the allure of the unknown, Whiskers embarked on a quest to decipher the secrets hidden within its ancient pages. With each turn of the parchment, Whiskers found himself transported to fantastical realms beyond his wildest dreams. From soaring through star-strewn skies on the back of a majestic phoenix to delving into the depths of the ocean alongside mermaids, Whiskers traversed landscapes both wondrous and perilous. Yet, amidst his daring escapades, Whiskers never forgot his humble origins. He returned home each night, his heart brimming with tales of daring deeds and newfound friends. And as he curled up beside the crackling hearth, the town would gather round, eager to listen to the fantastical exploits of their beloved feline adventurer.